Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So there is a very famous game, Never Have I Ever. We all have seen it, so many times. So today I thought of playing this game, Never Have I Ever, in a savage way. So let's see what is the first question. First question is, never have I ever seen two women uh, who are best friends. Is it for real? Can it happen? Because women are always jealous of each other. So correct answer would be yeah, we should try, you know, for yeah, we should definitely try. We can be best friends. Why not? We see so many women who are best friends. They are not very jealous of each other. They always support each other. There are so many girl gangs, and they support each other. Savage answer. Yeah, you feel insecure now because your power goes away when women stands up for each other, then your power will go away. That's why you always question the integrity of best friends who are supposed to be women, right? Second one is, never have I ever thought of correcting the other person in between the chat, because I feel that whether she or he is telling, I don't agree to that. So correct answer would be no, no, no. It's not a it doesn't come under good manners. You should never interrupt if somebody is saying something. If you don't agree, then definitely you should first listen and then you should give your point of view. Savage answer. Please don't throw this crap on my face. I'm not a dustbin, I'm a human being. So please keep your old dirty thoughts to yourself. I am not interested. Goodbye. Third one is, never have I ever given a genuine compliment to a woman. Uh, so correct answer would be yeah, definitely, all the time, all the time. We should definitely give compliments to our daughter-in-laws, our sisters, and everyone. We should and our friends also. Definitely, definitely. Savage answer. Why would not we give the compliments? If we are insecure, then only we will not give the compliment. So we always give the compliment. It's never that we don't give the compliment. And even if we don't give the compliment and if we don't judge the other person, it's more than a compliment. Believe me. Next is, never have I ever seen a woman driving properly. So correct answer would be we can also drive. Women can also drive. You should not judge women when they drive. They can also be good driver. Savage answer. See, roads are not built only for you, so that you can roam around here and there threatening women, so that they can't travel in night also, they can't travel in the day also. And yes, we can drive. So you want a driving test or the driving license? And if you think that we can't drive, then just see around how many lady drivers you see. Stop being judgmental and just focus on your drinking and driving. That would be great. Next is, never have I ever thought of rebelling, when I was asked to leave the job and stay at home. So correct answer would be yeah, whatever elders feel, it's a family's decision, so I will not interfere. It's okay, I will accept it wholeheartedly. Yes, that's our sanskar. Savage answer. See, I studied for myself. I am doing job for myself. I am responsible for myself. So how come you got that right to ask me to leave my job? And who gave you this right to ask me to leave the job? Even my parents don't do that. So how come you have this right? Can you please elaborate? Never have I ever thought of getting judged while having a tattoo. So correct answer would be Yeah, I just got it. It's in trend. So yeah, it will go away. In some time it will fade away. I just got it like that only. I didn't think too much. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I should not have got it. Yeah, yeah. Right, right. Savage answer. Yes, I am having a tattoo. And yes, you can judge me in the way you want. Yes, I am not a sanskari girl. I have a tattoo. And yes, it signifies my personality, and yes, I am proud of it. Next is, never have I ever proposed a guy when I had a crush on him, and instead of waiting him to come to me and proposing me. So correct answer would be, oh my god, how woman can propose a man? Oh, it looks so odd, na? How is it possible? Does it happen? Is it happening around? I have not seen. No, it's so shameful, na? Girl is not in her control. No, girls should have a control on their emotions, na? That doesn't look good, yeah. A man should always propose. Savage answer. Like like a man has feelings. Same way a woman has feelings. So what is the problem? If I got it first and I want to propose, what is the problem? So am I a less of woman if I propose to him, or he is a less of a man, if he is not proposing? So who decides these biases? That only men can propose, and women have to always behave in a shy way. No, no, no. This is no. How can I talk about crush and everything? How can I propose? It doesn't look good, nah. No, no, no. I feel very shy. So a girl should always be shy. It's very, very important. So time has changed now. Move on. So these were some never have I ever questions which I wanted to cover, because I feel that these things are happening around, and definitely these savage answers should be given, because it's high time. Everything around us is changing, and people's perception is changing. So definitely these answers are far better than the correct ones, which are so boring, and I feel that it should change. So women should speak out more and more about these things, and be more confident in their skin, and they should make their parents understand that it's okay, let people judge me, it's fine, don't impose anything on me. So these were my some questions. I hope you like them. So if you like the video, please like it and share it, and please subscribe my channel, and please don't forget to click the bell icon, because it will give you my regular video updates. Thank you so much. Ciao.